Alright, y'all. What up, what up, what up? It's Love Jones. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome back, gang, if you've already been here. So, I'm basically doing a whole lot of talking in this video, so I decided that I'm going to do a voiceover. Now, it's really late, and, you know, I haven't really done a lot of voiceovers, so I'm still practicing. But look here. I did what I gotta do. This video is about, you know, me. Today, I really just cleaned a lot of wigs, prepping for more content creating because, of course, I want to change my look. I like to look different. I like to have a different swag. So, today is day 18 of the college countdown. I realized that I'm 2 days ahead, but that's okay because I have a Q&A YouTube video that I want to do at the end. So if you have any questions that you would like to know about me or what I do, my life, whatever, you can put them in the comments. You could DM me at LUVJONEZ1130, whatever you want to do. But this video is really just me washing wigs, conditioning them, and styling them. And we have a little unboxing to do as well. Because guess what? I got a new wig. Yes, ma'am. And then I have another wig that we're going to be unboxing today. So excited. So I'm going to show y'all my wig collection. And you know, if you're a wig seller or whatever, and you would like somebody to model your wigs, you know, shout out to me. Like, I got you. Like, we could really make something happen. I'll be having the whole world buying your wigs. I'm just letting you know. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. We washing them, we conditioning them, we're drying them, and then I might style them as well. So we got a lot to do. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. I know I talked for like half the video, so I'm just finna make it up by just doing a voiceover. I had like talking and all of this, but then I was like, you know what? Let me just like tell them what I'm doing. So basically, I am wetting the wigs, obviously, and getting them ready for cleaning. If y'all really look at the water is like doo-doo brown. And that's embarrassing because I barely even wear them wigs. And you see I had to take the wig I had on off. Show the red locks, peep them. I did that myself and I covered them too. So, you know, if y'all need a retwist or anything, I got you. But that's me washing them. I used Maui shampoo, and then that's me conditioning them. Because you don't want your wigs to be dry and crusty. Like, that's how you get embarrassed. That's how you walk out looking like you just got fried. Like, that's not it. That's not it at all. But yeah, always make sure you condition your wigs. I used, what is it? Moist? Something like that. That purple thing right there. I used that. And that's me conditioning them. I let them sit for a while because, I didn't put the clip in, but like me and shout out to my cameraman, literally we were told to clean all the cars that we own. So, you know, there's that. We didn't end up doing that because, you know, thank God. But oh, I'm talking again. Air dry. That looks really good. You just see that? See the curls? You comb through it real easy. And now I'm just gonna help the drying out. Really, the main thing is to get the cap, and the other hair will dry really fast. But get you some heat protector. All right, so I put some heat protector on it, and then started to dry the hair. Of course, don't brush through it because it is curly. It's just gonna be poofy. I feel like that's not the goal that I was trying to get to, so I just let it really air dry. All right, y'all. So, I dried it out. I didn't record it, but the biggest tip is to turn the wig inside out and dry the cap. So when you dry the cap, the hair will dry. The hair can dry really fast, but the cap is wet, still be wet. So dry the cap. If you want to see a video of that, I can record it and post it. And I already did one side, so if you close up and see how slick the one side is, I got to do the other side. What I did was I combed this. You comb this back, all the edges back. You comb all the edges through because it still might have some buildup for when you try to lay it down the first time. Comb it back, and then get you a wax stick, and don't do a whole lot of wax, but just get you some wax and go on the edges. This is the brand that I'm using. and get you a fine tooth comb and just slowly like mold it back. Use your fingers and you can lay the lace flat and comb it back. Even more flat, get you a blow dryer. A wax stick will change your life. It'll make everything look so much better. Just go to your local beauty supply store. It'll melt the wax and hold everything back. And then you just do that to the rest of them. So 1 down and 3 more to go.
Moo-hoo, ah, 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 ah. Y'all was waiting on the unboxing, weren't you? Well, guess what? This is part 1 of all of my wigs, cleaning them, styling them, unboxing them, all of that. So you're going to have to wait for part 2. Ah! 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 Ah. And before somebody gets slick, I just woke up in this video, so you can hush. And this is the first time I've ever curled my hair, and I think I rocked it. But if you want to see the next video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see, and good night.